Hey everyone, so we're doing another vlog today. Today is Friday. I'm done with work. It is evening time now. I'm currently watching Wendy Williams, which let me mute. I'm obsessed with Wendy Williams. Does anyone else watch her? I'm also obsessed with my DVR. Oh, bitch. Do you guys watch Mama June from Hot to Not? Like, totally weird, totally random. But their new season starts today. I didn't even know. Don't you love that? Like when new season starts and new episodes are on and you've totally forgot about it. Anyway, I'm also currently uploading last weekend's vlog. I think what I'm going to do is, like, don't quote me on it. This is just like tentative. Is Wednesdays are going to be a new video. Saturdays, Sundays are going to be the week prior vlog. And I don't know if it's going to be like 2 vlogs or 1 vlog. Last week's vlog was really long and it was me mainly talking, but we'll try it out. We'll see how it is, and if it doesn't do good, then we need to zip my lip more. But we'll see how it does, and yeah, so I think that's gonna be like my upload schedule. Of course that's tentative. I do want to like squeeze in a couple more like during the week, so maybe get like 4 videos up in a week, but that's a real ambitious right now, and we're just trying to get on the tube. But what I'm currently doing is getting ready for a event tomorrow. I don't really want to like talk about it too much unless you folks are like truly interested, because I don't know how much I'm allowed to as well. But I do sell 31 bags. I don't know if people are familiar with it, but it's just like a bunch of bags. If you haven't heard of it, it's pretty cool. You can go to my31.com and check out everything that's available. And then I have a personal shop. But my personal shop has a lot of my personal information that I don't want like random people knowing. So only if you're truly, truly interested, let me know and I'll reach out to you and we definitely can put something together. But we're having an event tomorrow that I'm going to be selling at. So I'm trying to get things ready. Like I'm making like goodie bags. Here, how about I just show you? So here I'm making the goodie bags. I just like stuffed a little paper in it. We're going to do candies, a pen. These are just like some prints from the 31 bags. More candy, a pencil, and they're just gonna look like this. And it just says like, thank you for your purchase. I also have some frames that I need to print out some words in that I'm gonna put on display, like, on the setup. I'm trying to do like a cute little display with all my bags. I kind of made a little like care package, if you will, of a Valentine's Day gift. That would be perfect. And I figured this would be great to display at the vendor event. I thought it looks cute. And then we even have like some pens. This is not a 31 bags, so don't mind her. But these are, and then I have a bunch more too. I have a bunch here, as you can see, like a bunch. They're pretty cool. This is my favorite print of this season. It's like the winter print. It's pretty cool. I have a bunch of stock here. This 2 boxes are stock. This box is stock. I just have a ton. And I think there's some back there too, but I could be wrong. But I absolutely love it. They have a ton of different prints, like just solid grays. That same one. This gray one. Purple, a spotted, striped, red, colorful, and blue. And then they have a ton of different styles. So they have like a large bag, a medium bag. They have a bunch of bags in there. Here's another bag with the same print. Yeah, so I just have like a ton of bags. And since this is like my first event, I'm really trying to do it big. I'm really trying to go all out and go all extra. I really hope that there's a lot of shoppers. Once I like do my display tomorrow, I'll definitely have to make sure to show you folks. Hopefully it turns out cute. Like, I don't know though. I haven't even tried to do like a mock setup yet, and it's 8 o'clock and I still have to bake snacks. I want to like give out snacks there at the event. And then again, I'm trying to upload my vlog. 42 more minutes. Like I can't. I don't know if it's my internet, my computer. It says when I'm uploading it, I'm uploading it in the wrong file type. I don't know what this means. Like this is just too much tech for me. I just want to upload videos. Like, is that too much to ask? But anyway, today's Friday, and so I'm actually going to post it tomorrow. I'm going to time it because I'm actually going to be at this event, and then we're gonna be going to my mom's to help her take down her Christmas tree. I know, before you all judge, it's really late in the year and the tree is still up. But we decorated, so we just offered to take it down. So I'll definitely show you though. It's a really cute tree. I think if you follow me on Instagram, I think I posted it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I posted it. I posted her tree and my tree. But we plan to help her with that. And that's pretty much my weekend. But I thought I started today because I don't know. Remote, control yourself. Because I don't know how much I'm going to be filming over the weekend because I will be with them. And like, I think eventually, like, I'd love to film with more people and such. But no one knows I vlog yet. Like, I haven't even posted a vlog yet. So I don't know what I'm going to film. Who's going to be in the film. But yeah, I just wanted to update with you folks with this. I thought it was so cute. Like, just like I haven't made goodie bags in so long. So just like making them makes me so happy. So just as like thank you here. There's the Skittles, there's Jolly Ranchers, Lollipops, and then the little notebooks. These are actually 31 printed notebooks. So again, this is the print that I just showed you in the bags. And it's just like blank little notebooks, just like a little thank you if anyone makes a purchase or just want to give them something. And everything is Valentine's Day themed because Valentine's Day is coming up. So I'm trying to push Valentine's Day gift sales. So anyway, that's the latest update. We'll see what the night entails. I'm now making the Rice Krispies. So you basically need butter. Not this much. You just need half a stick of butter. This is turning into a cooking with me. A bag of marshmallows. And then a box of Rice Krispies. So I just usually turn the stove onto a medium heat and just plop half a stick of butter into the pan. Because I've never used organic butter before, I actually think that I'm going to add in a little extra butter. Because I don't know if organic butter is like the same. So I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon extra, what it calls for. Just to ensure proper flavoring. And then while that's heating up, I just like to stir it. Make sure the butter melts. Then I take even more butter on just a napkin. Can you see this? And then I kind of just grease the bottom of it with the butter. I don't usually do the sides, I just do the bottom. So I quickly wanted to share with you folks kind of just my display that I came up with. I really wanted to go with a Valentine's Day theme with all the reds, pinks, hearts, and things like that. Just to show that these make great gifts. You can definitely do a lot of different things with them. And then of course, care packages. I absolutely love care packages. They're the easiest way to just make a quick and nice gift for anyone. Literally anyone can use a care package, and you can just always customize it to everyone's needs. But I just want to show you the setup because I was pretty proud of it and it looked so cute. Oh, so cute, Tim. He's such a cutie puppy. Choo-choo boy. Choo-choo boy, such a cutie boy.
You don't have a menu online?
I don't know. Did you try Googling it? And there's no menu online? Hey everyone, I don't think I made an intro to today's vlog, but basically we had to go to a sale and I was selling my 31 bags. I think I did some clips of like my setup, and I think yesterday I did some clips of like creating things for the event. So today we had the event. It was pretty good. There was like a missile like scare accident thing that like they released to people in Hawaii that a missile was destined or whatever aimed to hit Hawaii. And so everyone was like freaking out. So I think it kind of like dampened people from, you know, going out and going shopping. So it wasn't that great in sales. But it was just nice to be out and be like around these other people who are selling things and just, you know, meet other people and just get the word out there that I do sell 31 bags, which was, I guess, the main purpose. But now we're at my mom's. This is my old room, like high school days room, and have a drawing there. We're here to take down her Christmas tree. I'll insert some clips of her beautiful tree now. But I still have my face on. Ooh, that lighting though. I still have my face on and it's holding up pretty nicely. I'm not mad at it. But we're spending the night here at her house. And yeah, my first video went live, and you folks are giving like such great and positive feedback like on it. I'm really happy and excited that you folks are, enjoying these vlogs. Well, vlog, enjoying the vlog, and I'm excited to do more. I'm excited to see what other things that we can do together. What the fuck? This thing is so huge. Do you guys see this compared to my hand? Holy freaking crap. Like, look at the stingers. Oh my god, that is insane.
So we finally got done taking down all of the decorations. It was crazy. It's literally been hours. Hours. But I took a shower, took off all my makeup. I had like this pimple growing on my nose. It looked like Rudolph. Like, Christmas is over, sir. You can leave. Find your way out. I'm now in bed. Ready for bed. But I had a question. Does anyone else's cat do this? Like right here on my face? Like, hey. What's this necessary? Like, are you kidding me? Like, on me? There's like so much space, and you have to be right here. What? What? What do you think? What the even? Hey, kitty cat. Kitty cat, what are you doing? Kitty cat, like your paws are going into my body. Okay, okay, I get it. Does anyone else's cat do this? Like, I can't believe it. Is it just this one? Or is it all cats? Do all cats do this? Just normal. Please, please tell me.
Hey everyone. So I know like today has just been a whirlwind, and I just have not been vlogging. Like, I did not get any clips like today, which is Sunday. So I think for this weekend vlog is just gonna be really short and just combining both days, because there's just not much clips today and yesterday of this weekend of what's been going on, because we've just been trying to like go. But we're back at home now, just getting up from a nap. Need to have something to eat. Need to do laundry, and then clean up around the house. There's just stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna get to that. I don't know how much I'm gonna be filming of all of that, but I'll try and get little clips here and there of all of that. I just said that a lot. That. But hopefully next weekend vlog's a little bit more interesting. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Don't mind my face or this lighting. Whatever.